Hi, welcome to our cave laboratory at ISPAG in Zurich. My name is Sina. In this short training video, I will show how easy it is to measure the dielectric properties of thin samples and liquids with DAC-TL2. My goal today is to measure the dielectric properties and determine the homogeneity of a thin layer high permittivity material. After calibrating the probe using the Alumina sample as the load, I place the MUT on top of the platform, set the force to 200 Newton and press the close on the base system controller. Once the sample is in contact with the probe, I click on the sweep button to start the measurements. To store the measured data, I click on an empty buffer number in the buffers panel. Finally, I save the measurement file in DAC, Excel or text format in the measurement section of the menu bar. To check the homogeneity, I repeat the measurement on 10 different points on both sides of the sample. At 67 GHz, the average is 27.1 and the standard deviation is less than 1%, which confirms the homogeneity of the material. If one has doubt in the calibration, the values can be easily validated by measuring one of the reference samples provided in the DAC-TL2 CalSet. The validation must be done with a different reference material from the calibration load. Here I measure Teflon for the validation. Deviations smaller than the measurement uncertainty values are considered acceptable. To check the deviations from the target, I just need to enable the Analysis button in the DAC software and then select Teflon from the materials drop-down list. As it's shown in the difference chart subwindow, the deviation is less than 2% across the whole frequency range, which is well within the measurement uncertainty. To measure soft solids that deform under the applied force, the measurement mode must be changed to soft solids. However, the calibration procedure remains the same for all types of solid materials. Let me now show you how to perform measurements with liquids. To do that, I replace the lossy plastic platform with the black aluminum one. For liquid measurements, the process is similar to liquid load calibration. For demonstration, I will fill the Petri dish with 10 ml of this liquid. Next, I set the probe distance from the bottom of the Petri dish to 1 mm in the text box and click on the Go to Distance button. Then I press Sweep and store the measured data on one of the buffers similar to solid measurements. If I compare the measurement data with the target data measured with DAC in very large container, I am within 2%. Thanks for joining us today. I hope I was able to demonstrate how easy it is to perform dielectric measurement with DAC-TL2. If you have questions about the video or are interested to know more about our DAC system, just contact us at info@spag.swiss or contact your local sales representative.